Hey Raul, this is Samantha from Feed Me Leads. We spoke on the phone and I told you that I was going to be sending you over the screencast. And so here it is. I'm going to keep it really short and sweet. I just want to go through your site a little bit. I want to go through one of your competitor sites really quickly. And then I'm actually going to give you 3 ways that you can use today for free to start bringing in some more traffic to your site. And so I send these screencasts out with all of the free info. And often when business owners see what I do, how I do it, and how much work is put into it, they decide that they want to team up. So if you watch this through and you feel the same, please do not hesitate to reach out to me. But without further ado, let's get into it. And so here I am on the Bayou Painting Services homepage. First of all, I will say that I really love this little gator right here. So the site looks pretty good. However, as I scroll through, I can see that there is not a lot of content on here. And so Google is going to be ranking your site based off of around 200 different factors. One of those key factors is going to be content. You want to have at least 1,000 to 1,500 words on this homepage. You guys actually have 665 words. So we definitely want to add in some more content, and we want to make sure that content is quality educational content. And in addition to having the appropriate amount of content, we want to make sure that content is filled in with the appropriate amount of targeted high volume keywords so that we can get you ranked for all of the right things. So over here, I've hopped over to Google. The keyword I'll be using for today's video is water damage restoration, Lafayette, Louisiana. This is a great keyword. It brings in 300 searches per month. So if you were to convert just a small fraction of those into customers, you'd be doing really well for just one keyword. And so underneath the search bar, typically where we're going to see some Google ads. There are none popping up at the moment, but Google ads are a very good way to get your name out there and build some brand recognition, especially while you're waiting for your SEO to warm up. However, if done incorrectly, you can definitely waste a lot of money on them, but if done right, they are a good way to get things moving quickly. And so typically underneath the Google ads, but now here at the top, we have our Google Map Pack. And so this is a great spot to be at, gets you right at the top of the first page. But in order to do that, you have to be in one of these top 3 spots. And you get into one of these top 3 spots by having a lot of citations. And so a citation is just when your business is listed on an online local directory. So think Yelp, think Yellow Pages, or think Yext. Those are all really good examples of local directories that people use a lot and trust a lot as well. And so you want to be on more of those online directories than these 3 businesses are right here. And so I can scroll down and I have made it to the organic search results. And so this should definitely be your main area of focus. This is going to give you the best return on investment long term. And that is because Google has actually come out and said that over 70% of people, when they type something in, they are going to click on one of these organic search results, and they're almost always going to click on one towards the top of the page. And so right here, this is the first company page that pops up for this keyword. So right now their site is actually down. So let's go back. This is the second one that pops up. So we'll take a look at them. And I actually did a word counter search on them as well. They actually only have 642 words. So actually you are already beating them out content-wise by just a few words, but we can definitely beat them out by even more. Also, keep in mind that this was actually the second company page that popped up. But the main way that you're actually going to get up here is through backlinks. And so a backlink is just a shout out from another website. And you want to get these backlinks from high powered and relevant sites. So, for example, if a local plumbing company or construction company were to give you a backlink from their site, that would be a really good backlink for you guys to bring in more power to your website. So over here, I've jumped onto Ahrefs. Ahrefs is a really great tool. If you guys ever try and do this in-house, I highly recommend using this tool. It is a little pricey. It costs me around $400 a month to use it, but it gives me a lot of great information. So see right here, I typed in the competitor that we were just looking at, and I can see that they have 164 backlinks from 34 different domains and are ranking organically for 124 keywords. And so I can take a closer look and see which keywords those are. And so we want to get keywords that have buyer's intent and are preferably location specific. So right here, it'll list all of the different keywords, how many people search for that keyword every month, what position they hold for that keyword on Google, and how much traffic they get every month from that keyword. So we can go through and pick which ones apply to your business, which ones bring in the most volume, and we can incorporate those into your content. So now I want to go back. I actually want to do the exact same thing that I just did with their keywords, with their backlinks. And so it is saying that they have 164 backlinks. Here it says 161 actually. We definitely want to get a larger quantity of backlinks, but we also want higher quality backlinks as well. So we can go through and snag the best ones from here for your site. And we want to snag the ones that have a high DR domain rating. So we can go through, pick the best ones from here, go through some other competitors' sites and get some from there as well, and then find some on our own. And so although they only have 161 backlinks, that is not a lot to beat, but keep in mind that this is just one competitor for one keyword for one of the services that you provide. We want to be able to beat out all of your competition, and I did notice that you guys offer quite a bit of different services, so those are a lot of other websites to beat out. So before I wrap this up, I just typed in your site into Ahrefs as well. And it is telling me you guys have 77 backlinks from 30 different domains and are ranking organically for 32 keywords. So let's just see which keywords those are. And so you guys are going for some pretty good keywords. You could definitely go for some that have a little bit of higher volume, but you are going for some good keywords. However, you're not ranking very well for those yet. But to recap, what we talked about is number one, we want to get some more quality educational content with the high volume buyer intent keywords. Number two, we want more citations to get you ranked on the map pack. And then number three, we want more relevant, high powered backlinks. And so that's what I have for you for today. Hopefully, you enjoyed watching this, got something out of it. If you want to learn more, you can email me back or you can give me a call. My number is 714-975-5909. So thank you for watching, and I look forward to speaking with you.